What's up, my YouTube people? How are you doing? I'm feeling great and cool, sharing a new video for the channel and having a great time. Today is a different kind of video because my friends from FIFINE have sent me some products so you can improve the quality of your videos. My team, of course. So what did they send me? Look, here we have some headsets. We also have a really cool mixer. And so you can have amazing audio, divine video, not like Steve's, which is really bad. Here we have a microphone. Let's do it. Let's unbox it, try it out, test it, and see how it works with video games. So without further ado, let's hit play. All right, let's start by unboxing these H9 gaming headsets from FIFINE, and let's see what's inside. In the box, we open it, and here we have a guide. Over here we have some accessories, and here we have the My Bro headset in black. There's the brand, and according to the user guide here, it says these headphones are compatible with laptops, PlayStation, 4 PlayStation, 5 computers, and also with your phone because it has the jack. How can we connect it to our PC? We have a little cable here, there's something else here, and the microphone looks pretty cool. We're about to connect and test it now. Hey, these headphones, all right, I already have the headsets connected to the computer. The cables that come with them are really long, and that's super cool. The ear cups are really comfortable. Now let's listen to how these headphones sound. I wish you could also hear what I'm hearing. Hey, let's see if it sounds good. Oh, this is cool. Let's check out the song's bass. The cool thing about these headsets is that they also have 7.1 sound. As you can see, you can activate it here, so you get a more immersive sound for those who like shooter games. Now I want to test the microphone sound. Right now, you're listening to the headset's microphone. I don't know how it sounds. Hello, 23, testing 1, 2 sounds decent and cool. I think with this, you can already make my king. Epic videos, here. As you can see on the controller, you lower the microphone volume. Let's see, we lower it here. It's lower, lower. And we raise it to a level you like best. Over here, we have the fine microphone. Let's see what's inside the box. First, the user guide. Here we have a base. Let's open this little foam. Hey, that's cool. You can see the microphone, bro. Look, do you see it? Wow, let's take it out of its box to see how it comes out. There it is. Wow, here we can see the microphone that we're going to test. How will it sound over here? We have an XLR connection. We have a USB-C connection for your monitoring. And, well, here we have a light button, probably for the light. I'm going to connect it now to see how it works. It also includes its USB cable, which is really awesome. I already have the microphone connected here, and look, it has red, green, blue lights, bro, and here you can change the colors. That's cool. You can pick the color you like the most. There it is. I noticed that it has a touch mute button for the microphone, which is pretty cool. Let's try it out. The audio quality of the microphone connected by USB, this is the quality of the microphone. Hey, my YouTube people, how are you doing? I like how it sounds, of course. If you bring it closer, it sounds louder. If you move it away, it sounds less loud. And here it also has the knob so you can turn the volume up or down however you like. And here we have the mixer, also from FIFINE, to be able to complement the headphones and the microphone. And let's see what's inside the little box. We open it, and here we have a user guide so you can check it out so we can see how all of this works. We take out the little sponge, and here we can see the mixer. Hey, it's nice, pretty cool, huh? We also have a little cable here to connect to the computer. And here you can connect it to your phone or probably another audio device. And well, here we have the mixer. Honestly, it's nice, really small. You can tell it's well made. Here we have some little buttons. Here we can connect the XLR microphone that was over here. And here we can connect our headsets. An input line, some headphones, the output line, and to connect it to the computer. I like the feel of the buttons. We'll connect it right now to test the features. My king, so I already have the mixer connected here. If we want to improve the audio quality, I'm going to turn up the volume so you can hear the mic and we can see all the features this little mixer has. So there we have the mic so we can hear how it sounds. Here we can monitor our mic, we turn up the volume, and honestly, it sounds completely different. Guys, here we can change it to different colors. Really cool. You can leave it on the color you like the most. And here we also have options to change voices. we have a male voice.
Hello, yes, female voice.
Hello, yes, more voices. Here we have the voice of the old Steve, hello Steve, ha ha ha, and some other cool voices.
And here we can change to electric voice. We have hello, hello, yes, too. You can hear it. Do you hear the difference? And here we have the different little buttons, like I was telling you, to make different recordings, for example, snails. And now, when I'm playing, I already have my preset sound. Look, listen to it with snails, ha. And now, that's it. Let's see then how all of this works in a video game. And we're here in Chicken Goon, so you can see how everything works. These products. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and try a player versus player battle royale.
Will I use Steve's old function? Ha! Let's see if they like the old Steve or not. There it is, that little voice you always loved. So let's play this quick game with the old Steve's little voice. We're here. Okay, I need to get a weapon and hope they don't kill me too fast. Hey, I see a chicken over there. I'll grab my Molotov.
But they're not shooting at me. This chicken is shameless. I can't believe it. Saltis, are you a hacker?
Snails, no.
But how is that possible?
Wednesday? Ha.
This cheerful-looking guy just killed me, but what just happened there, guys? I can't believe it. Let's go for the second chance. The second chance is the real one.
All right, this time for real. Let's get serious. Okay, it's loading now. Now I'm going to fully concentrate, guys. I'm not going to let myself lose. That machine up front is a complete failure. Hey.
We're here now. He showed up with this chick. I'm taking him down. He's dying? Wait, here are the eggs. No, he survived. What kind of trash doesn't die? Awesome. Whoa.
Something really cool almost happened. Wow.
So we keep going this way. I almost got killed by a chainsaw, which is useless to me. The chainsaw guys, hey, wait, there's another little box over here. Big gun that I just found. Oh no. This guy's dying. He's dying. No, don't tell me he's not going to die. No, don't tell me this shameless guy isn't going to die. He's going to kill me, guys. Ah, darn, we're going to change weapons now, right?
Jeez darn, I can't believe it, guys. That one was mine. Hey.
I better just get into a little room so I can take them all down, but that one is trying to get away. Hey. But they've nerfed this weapon so much, they even go off the map. I can't believe it. Everyone wants me. Hey, they're not going to take me down. Hey.
Wednesday. Oh, man. Okay, this is it. I have to switch weapons, but let me switch weapons. I can't believe it, dang.
All right, let's go now. Take that. Hey, 2 down right away under this one. They want to escape from the map, guys. Hey, no. Whoa. I took that guy down. Hey, man, this is my chance. That monster killed me. I can't believe it.
Dang, without 9 kills?
All right, awesome, really cool.
Hey, that's awesome, guys, and well, my people. In my personal opinion, are these products really good value for money? The microphone sounds cool. I like the sound of the headphones. The mixer also has its features. It's little things, like for playing my epic phrases, which I always end up using from time to time. The materials aren't top of the line, but they're pretty cool. The products are well put together, and I've liked them. If you wanted to start improving your audio quality and wanted to have better sound, people with headphones like these, which include a mic, you can start making your videos now. All right, Padrinos, but if you want to keep leveling up and want to do podcasts and other stuff, with a mic like this, you're set, guys, you're set. And if you can get a mixer, you're on another level. My people, and well, my people. If you guys want to get all these fine products, I'm going to leave the links for each one of them down in the description. For the mic, the headsets, the mixer, so you can go check them out. So you can go see them, and that's it. I hope you liked today's video. It was a different review, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Steve says goodbye. See you next time. Bye, the end.